Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. As you can see, I'm running a little bit late as I'm doing this video as I had a few things I had to take care of today. But anyhow, today's date is November the 7th. I never did trade yesterday. As I mentioned, I was really even more busy yesterday. But anyhow, I did these trades this morning at between 9 and 9:30 and about 10:40. I was done trading. I closed out the trades. Now most of them were futures in the indexes, and I ended up selling the Euro New Zealand. This system has the easy scalper. That's this moving average, changes from red to blue, and if you have the alarm turned on, you'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see over here. And also I added the super signal indicator, at which point you'll also get an audio sound and a pop-up alert. This one right here you're looking at now, that's coming from the super signal indicator. Now this super signal indicator, I would not trade without it, wouldn't trade any system without it, as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market, and also is great for traders who love to scalp the market. Remember, you're going to need 4 things to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, you're going to need a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And of course, you're going to need a daily trade plan. Now, if you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the charts looking at all the different instruments, forex pairs, futures, the indices, and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. We can take a look at the daily trade plan. Here is the daily trade plan. This is running in real time, minute by minute, and as you can see, it's giving all kinds of signals whether you should be buying and or selling. I used many different daily trade plans, and this one is the best one I've ever came across. Now if you have any questions or if you want to buy, well, all you got to do is Skype me. Okay, now we can get into these trades. The only forex pair I did, Euro New Zealand. I sold it around 11 minutes after 9 this morning. Let's see where I got in at. So I took the trade right at this little red cursor and I closed it out right here. So let's see where I got in at, right here. Closed it out here, just being happy. Looks like I locked in 23 pips, and those pips paid out $142. Moving right along to the futures. Let's see, this S&P 500. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. I manually put in this arrow once I decide if I want to be buying or selling. Scalper turned blue right here. Let's see where I got in the trade. Got in over here after the 2 moving averages cross. Could have waited for the pullback, but it could have just as easily gone straight up. Now I took the money and divided by 5 as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 110. So let's see. There's 110 ticks and that paid out $550. Moving right along to the next one, the Dow Jones pays exactly the same for each tick, which is $5. Looks exactly the same as the other chart setup. So let's see where I got in at. Same situation. Wanted to be buying it. Arrow from the daily trade plan. The easy scalper said to buy. So easy decision to make. Buy on this blue candle, and I close it out being happy. And the calculator, by the way, after I divide it by 5, says it should be 113. There it is right there, 113 ticks, and that paid out $565. Moving on to the next trade, crude oil. Crude oil pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, it's easy to see. It should be 61. This one I sold it, so let's see where I got in at. The daily trade plan said to sell. Super signal, easy scalper. Easy decision to make. So, exactly what I did. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you have the right information, a good system, a daily trade plan. Once you get everything in order, then it's just money management and trade management once you have everything else in order. So the calculator says it should be 61. There it is right there. And those 61 ticks paid $610. Moving on to the next trade, the DAX 30. This one I had to drop down to the 5 minutes so I can get a half decent accurate reading on it. So I took the money and divided it by $3.75. That's what it pays for each tick. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at first of all. So the scalper was saying to buy. A daily trade plan was a buy. So I took the trade at this cursor right here. Did a bit of a pullback, but that's to be expected. And I would have stayed in up to here. It would have been over 600. What did I say? 340. There it is right there. 340 ticks paying out $1,275. Moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. Wanted to be buying it. Daily trade plan said to buy. Easy scalper was blue. Everything was good to go. So I took the trade at this point. Now it did a bit of a pullback, but I wasn't too worried about it. I took the money and divided it by 20 as it pays $20 on each tick. Calculator says it should be showing 76.4 actually, but let's just go with the 76. That's as close as I'm going to be able to get, 76.5. But anyhow, it's 76 ticks, and that paid out $1,528. Okay, another great day of trading using my new easy scalper system. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be well over 200, which is what when I'm trading, my goal is 200 pips or ticks, and I get more than that every day. So grand total came to 723 pips and ticks, and that paid out $4,670. So if your system's not producing like my easy scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you look right below this video, you'll get my contact information if you have any questions or if you want to buy. Now you can pick up the phone and call me, or you can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. This way here we can talk live no matter where you live in the world, and I can answer your questions. Now when you look below in the description, you'll see 3 different packages. Each package is $250, and of course I recommend obviously you get all 3 packages. Now I do have a special running. If you buy 2 of the packages, I'll give you the other one for free. Now I have some other packages that offers a 50% discount. And of course, if you want to know what those packages are, well, simple. Just send me an email and I will send you back the email with all the special limited time offers. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.